In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flashloop. To get started, head over to Flashloop in your browser or download the app on your Android device or iPhone. Once you're there, create your account by signing up with Google, Apple, or your email. This part is quick. And once you're inside, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all the creation tools are organized for you. From the dashboard, the next thing you'll do is choose what you want to create. Flashloop gives you several options depending on your project. You can use text to video if you want to turn a written idea into a video. You can choose image to video if you want to animate a photo. There's also AI images for generating visuals from text, voiceover for adding AI narration, and characters if you want to build consistent AI generated people for use across multiple videos. Choosing the right tool at the beginning helps set up the rest of your workflow more smoothly. After that, write your prompt. This is where you describe exactly what you want the AI to create. The clearer and more detailed you are, the better the output will usually be. For example, you might describe a woman walking through a sunflower field at golden hour with cinematic lighting, realistic detail, a gentle breeze, and a camera slowly tracking forward. That kind of detail gives the system more direction and usually leads to more polished results. Next, select an AI model. Flashloop offers multiple models, including VO3, Kling 3.0, Sora 2, Seedance 2.0, and WAN 2.6. Each one may perform a little differently depending on the style you're aiming for. Some are stronger for realism, some are better for animation, and others may be more cinematic. If you're experimenting, it can be helpful to try the same prompt with different models to compare the results. Once your model is selected, adjust the available settings. Depending on the model, you may be able to set the video duration, aspect ratio, resolution, motion intensity, and camera movement. For example, a vertical 9:16 format works well for short-form platforms, while 16:9 is better for standard widescreen video. These settings can make a big difference in how your final video feels. When everything looks good, click Generate and give Flashloop time to process your request. Keep in mind that more advanced models can take longer and may use more credits. Finally, preview the generated video. Watch it carefully and decide whether it matches your vision. If it needs improvement, revise your prompt and regenerate. Once you're happy with the result, go ahead and download the finished video.